Trump is taking specific steps to pump American altcoins. I'm talking about Cardano, HBAR, Algorand, XRP, and a fifth dark horse candidate. And he's pumping them through a specific tax loophole that not a lot of people are talking about. He's going to potentially change a tax loophole. It's going to have huge, and I cannot stress this enough, huge, gargantuan effects on particular altcoins made in America. And that fifth coin is facing a perfect storm of FUD, of fear, uncertainty, and doubt that I think is making a tremendous opportunity for this altcoin. And the specific change is no capital tax on US crypto. Now, we're going to look at those four coins and the fifth dark horse candidate on why they're going to have such a tremendous upside off of this news. So President Trump's administration reportedly plans to eliminate capital gains taxes on cryptocurrencies issued by U.S. registered companies. If enacted, this move will exempt American investors from taxes on profits gained from holding certain digital assets. And this is going to have huge implications because when you're a billionaire or multimillionaire, you're looking for any type of way to save on taxes. This might be a great tax vehicle. And so this might be a great vehicle just for people trying to lower their tax exposure. Now, should this happen, the shift is going to drive significant capital inflows towards these US-based cryptocurrencies. The legislation that they're looking at would only apply to assets issued by entities that are registered within US borders before their token's issuance, but there might be a relocation pathway for some foreign entities. Should this materialize, it is a huge advantage for Cardano, for Algorand, for Ripple, and HBAR. I'm going to tell you my fifth dark horse candidate as well. And I'll tell you my fifth dark horse candidate as well, but let's first look at Cardano. Now, we just put out a Cardano video, so I don't want to harp on this one too much, but you can see all the news is putting us back above $1, starting to feel good about ADA again. Now, first one we're going to look at is Cardano. Cardano is back above $1. We just did a video, so I don't want to go over too much, but President-elect Trump is creating a 24-person crypto council to shape the digital future. If Charles Hoskinson is one of the 24 people, I would expect some gains to hit Cardano's way. Next one we have is XRP, and recently XRP made history hitting $3 again. It feels like it's been ages since this coin wanted to hit $3. And an interesting fact, XRP has now overtaken BlackRock in market cap. So huge news for XRP. Now, there's a few reasons why we're seeing XRP pump this week, but the top reasons I would have to say is going to be the new developments from Ripple Labs, including their stablecoin, the RLUSD, also potential XRP ETF, and potential resignation of Gary Gensler, and it does look like he's going to be stepping down pretty soon. Let's go to coin number 3, and I can't wait to show you number 5, by the way, Algorand. Algorand, you're looking at the price chart, it is nowhere near the peak, and that's market cap. Looks worse when we hit price. So Algorand, obviously, still struggling to hit some of its previous all-time highs, whether you're looking at token price or market cap, but it did hit over 12 billion. But I'm seeing something bullish in the Algorand charts, especially if we get this Trump pump, everything starts pumping. That's when you see some of these bullish chart patterns really start to play out. Now, this one's on log chart, meaning it's going to give us a pretty bullish target. Next one we'll look at is going to be regular, though. And so the way a bull flag pennant works is you would measure the flagpole from the breakout, potentially right there. Still waiting for this daily candle to close, but that would give us insane return over a $2 Algorand, sitting around $2.12. You're looking at a 44-cent Algorand today. Massive, massive gains. You're looking close to a 5x. Now let's do HBAR. So HBAR, great day, hit above 30 cents again. Starting to feel a little bit bullish, starting to flirt with some of these previous all-time highs. You go to market cap, we are at a all-time high by market cap. There's still some tokens to be released. So the reason why you're seeing the difference is more tokens were released. So while the token price isn't as high, the market cap is higher because there's more tokens. And right now we got about 38 billion of them released out of 50 billion. Now, token release is going to be a huge story for coin number 5, by the way. Well, let's go to the charts here. What is the HBAR? Oh, what do you know? We're seeing the same chart pattern. Now, this one's on a regular chart, not going to be as crazy a gain, not going to be looking at a 5x here. But we go ahead and clone that. Let's just say it, still needs to try to break out. You can see on Algorand, we had broken out of this structure, still kind of flirting within the structure right here. So if we break out, say later in the month, And so if it breaks out later on in the month, you still got a 60-cent HBAR. So a lot of upside for HBAR as well. Very bullish on this project, bullish on all these American coins, but not as bullish as coin number 5. This to me is the one with the most potential upside, and that's going to be Ando. Now, when you hear Ando, if you're in crypto, you're going to hear about the Ando unlock. Always hearing about the Ando unlock, big Ando unlock right around the corner, right? That's what everyone's saying. Well, we're going to talk about that, and then we're going to look at some TA because I found something in the charts that's making me very bullish. Now, the unlock is being reported that there's a massive amount of tokens about to be released. On January 18th, they're going to free up almost 2 billion tokens worth over $2 billion. It's going to increase the supply 130%. Is that true? Technically, no. Technically, yes. Now, technically, there is an unlock. Technically, that unlock does have a giant tranche of tokens, but those tokens aren't released all at once. It's going to be what they call a linear unlock. So here's the stats on the unlock. This is from Not Telling. He's one of the top Ando content creators out there. See the repost, and here's proof that it's monthly unlocks for 3 years, and it's going to happen on the 17th of each month. And so this is the 1.2 some odd billion tokens, and you can see, oh no, this is going to be slow and surely releasing there. So not all at once, a lot of FUD out there. When we click on the post underneath that, it's a big, you can see linear vesting monthly, lasts for a year, not all unlock all in one day. It's not going to be all these tokens just unlocking in one day. There's also some other bullishness here. Ando just hired somebody from Coinbase. They got one of the leads from Coinbase Wallet to be head of DeFi over at Ando. So we're seeing the Ando people. They're connected to Trump. Trump's World Liberty-Fi wallet holds some Ando. They're connected to Coinbase. Coinbase is probably going to have a big position in crypto's future in America. And so Ando also has the BlackRock connection. They're just checking all the right boxes when it comes to insiders are loving this token. And I'm getting a lot of vibes of Solana unlocks in 2021. Solana, during the year when they had massive unlocks similar to Ando, went from $3 to about $200. Huge gains despite all the unlocks. Ando probably going to be a similar situation. Let's get into the charts. What did I see that was bullish? Well, that's just the rate of corrections. On a log chart, I need to measure this just so you can really see here. That one right there, about 40%. We got another pullback right there, a little over 40%. We got another pullback right here. That one's, over 60%, so close to 50% here. And then we got another pullback, and that's putting us yet again close to a 50% pullback. So Ando has had massive pullbacks in the past. It has recovered every single time. You just see really nice gains, even if you bought here. So don't get fudded out of Ando. Just look at the charts, realize, okay, now there is a little bit of a correction. This is probably going to be, a fairly decent entry point there. We could test the next level of support, which, be a little bit lower. This is going to be around the psychological level of $1. So you might want to have some dry powder on the sidelines in case it corrects another 20 cents. But if everything starts turning bullish, we're getting closer to Trump being inaugurated. We could see altcoin season really kicking off in a strong way. So I wouldn't wait too long, folks. Well, that's all I got. Those are the 5 Trump coins, the 5 American crypto you got to keep an eye on. I'll see you in your USA bag at the top.